Good evening, this is Bob Knight. It's the 9th day of January 2018. I wanted to talk about a trade I did today on PTIE, Pain Therapeutics Inc. This is the one-year chart on PTIE on a program called Stocks to Trade. And you can see it's a very, it's a low float stock. 6.6 million shares issued. This is less than a million float. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but it's generally a low trader, 420,000, but today 31.5 million, of course, which corresponds with this huge move. Now, this is the one-year chart, and I just want to point out this price here for future reference later in my video, so 931. I normally trade using a 2-day chart, 5-minute time period, and on this chart I've got the 15 EMA, exponential moving average, and the 5 EMA. So I saw this stock as a big percent gainer. It had been 450 and it was up at close to $6 pre-market, so up 30-40%. And so I'm watching it, but it spikes sharply. It sort of pulls back, but it spikes sharply at the opening and does this little rollover. So I'm looking to buy the first pullback. It's a successful pattern for me. And when I look for that, what I look for is to buy the first green candle to make a new high. So here's the first green candle, and then here's the first green candle to make a new high. So over 7 was my area to enter, but it would move so fast. I put my order in, I got filled at 740. But the other area that I would have, if I had missed, which I did, look to buy the stock would have been the break over the 745 area, and fortunately it did break that and kept going. I have 1,500 shares, and I sell 500 shares at 785. So in this area here, and just after I sell, it gets halted, and then 10 minutes later it opens. And this candle here, it spikes to the high of 942, which is right at the previous resistance area, even though it was a while back, but that still was the resistance area. Hits 942, starts to pull back. I've got a good profit, so I bailed the balance at 925. It's a wild trader. It's huge swings, and God bless people that stayed with it, because it was a great trade. It hit at a high of 1280, but I was happy with my profit, so I'm not complaining. And but that's how I played it. And there you go. Thanks.